Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another special Govee home indoor thermo hygrometer. Now this is kind of like little pocket size, doesn't take too much room up. Small apartments, condos, your office, your workstation. So check these guys out, Govee. Govee. Now, I'm not sure if you could use an app with this one or is it just a normal. Oh, batteries pop out. Batteries are included. It's always a good thing. Let's see if I need to use an app at all for this. Bluetooth app. Yeah, they could, home app. Alright. Well, we might not need to because, like I said, we got the other one. We just did. So, that's the case. But there's an app option on it so that you guys could use if you guys want to look at it. If you guys, well, actually, I'll probably show it because it is two different videos. So, really simple to install Govee app on your iOS or Android. And we go. We got the batteries out. That was pretty quick. Okay, normal install on batteries. Anyone can do this. Nice little stocking stuffers. Maybe boss's birthday, you could give him one. Bada boom. Govee. And where is the stand? Huh. Oh wow, there it is. I didn't even look at that. That's nice. See? Bada boom. Here we go. Alright, cool. Like I said, the app is called Govee. Let me show you guys. Gotta search again. Govee home. See, this is the other one I have. Right there, 79. Or it's probably reading it off of the other. We'll add it. Smart Health. Yep, see, it's right down there. 5075. So gotta click on the picture. And it should pop that up right there. Make sure Bluetooth is on. And now it's connecting. So this is something cool to have in your kitchen area too. And it should show the same thing as in the other one. Indoor. Yep, you can name it indoor. Alright. So that's gonna have to register it. Pick it up really quick though. So you got Fahrenheit, Celsius. Really cool stuff though coming out. Let's see. Maybe day. Probably still needs like to give it a good hour. So like 6:48 it'll probably update with the right one. Just the other video I had more time with it, so but everything works really cool. It has month, year, day, week, and you can export the data. So indoor. Yeah, see, it still needs time to update. Not quite yet, guys, but it will be updating shortly. But you can see it on here what it reads. 79 degrees. 44%. So, pretty good. Pretty accurate, too. Alright, guys. Check them out. Govee. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this thermometer desk stand. Really cool, though. Bada boom. Govee. There we go. And there's a max 79, 77. I have the air on, so it might have a little different ratio. But other than that, you guys be safe. Have a good one.